Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a video on how you send your money out from your PayPal to your Gray and to your bank account. So as you all know, when I make the video when creating the PayPal account, I said I will be doing a video anytime I have funds money in my PayPal account. So this is how the video goes, and this is how so as you can currently see, this is my PayPal balance. So I'm withdrawing this money now to my PayPal account. So what I first of all do is I come here to my wallet and click the balance, and when I click the balance, I click on withdraw. So from here you use withdraw to bank. Remember, we have already linked our bank account, so I'll click on it, and as you can see, this is it. So it says 0 fee, so I'll just click on withdraw now. All right, it says your 64 euro pounds is on the way. So all I have to do is just give it some time and it will work. So all I need to do now is I will go to my Gray and wait for it. So as you can see, currently the money is out already. It's already out. So now the main thing is I will just have to go to my Gray and wait for it to let me just let's go to our Gray. Oh shit, sorry, I need to log in. Let me log in. All right, so that was their new policy for their withdrawal charges, and which is in any transaction they will withdraw £2 in any withdrawal to bank that you are making. £2 will be removed as the charges. So formally it was not like that, but I don't know what happened. They just suddenly changed it. All right, so let me wait for code and the. All right, so I think I just saw an email now. So here is it. I think the payment was delayed, but as you can see, this is the amount we withdrawed, and it has already dropped. So let's go and check our Gray. I think our Gray is all right. Gray. All right, so as you can see, this is the here you can see the balance here, and this you can see it has dropped. So this, and about the charges I talk about, as you can see, this is the £2 charges that was just made. All right, so this is all about the video. So and for me to just withdraw, I'll just convert it to Naira and withdraw to my. I'll convert it to Naira, then withdraw it to my Naira account. As you can see, I will just send it out. You can see I made transaction with them. So that's just it about PayPal to Gray. So in any video, if you don't get it or you need any explanation, you can drop a comment and comment it below. I will surely reply.